Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a interesting lesson, the white mice. It's a 5th standard syllabus. So now let's go to a small activity. So who are the different people in the picture? Who are the different people in the picture? This is the picture. Who are the different people in the picture? Second question. Who seems to be afraid of the monkey? Who seems to like it the most? Who seems to be afraid of the monkey? Who seems to be like it the most? Third question. Are all the grown-ups in the picture reacting in the same way? Are all the grown-ups in the picture reacting in the same way? Okay, fourth question. Is there something that you enjoy doing but your parents do not like? Is there something that you enjoy doing but your parents do not like? Why and where do you disagree? What do both and your parents enjoy? Okay, I guess you know the answers. Okay, now let's go to the story. So the story is written by Ruskin Bond. So now let's read the story. The story is narrated by a little boy. He was to return to his parents after his summer vacations. Summer vacations. His uncle Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, puts him on the wrong train. When the boy realizes his mistake, his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram. Do you know what is the meaning of telegram? A short message sent by telegraph. A short message sent by a telegraph to his grandfather. Telegram to his grandfather. The kind station master, Mr. Ghosh, keeps the boy safe till his grandfather reaches Lucknow and invites him to his house. Mr. Ghosh's house was just behind the station. He brought me a cup of sweet, milky tea and 2 large rasagullas. Now let me show you my family, he said. And he took me by the hand and led me to a veranda at the back of the house. There was a miniature. Do you know what is miniature? Very small model. Miniature means very small model. Railway complete with a station, railway bungalows, signal boxes, and next to it a miniature fairground complete with swings, a roundabout, and a Ferris wheel. Do you know what is the meaning of Ferris wheel? A huge revolving wheel with passenger car usually found in fairs. Ferris wheel means a huge revolving wheel with passenger cars usually found in fairs. Ferris wheel, full stop. 15 to 20 white mice were dancing on the roundabout and the Ferris wheel. Another dozen or so ran in and out of tunnels and climbed up on a toy train. Mr. Ghosh pressed a button and the little train, crowded with white mice, left the station and went rattling off to the far corner of the veranda. So let's go to the next page. It was also impressive by the time grandfather arrived. I had fed biscuits to the mice and fallen asleep in a huge armchair in Mr. Ghosh's living room. I woke up to find the station master busy showing grandfather his little railway colony of white mice. Grandfather was interested in the toy train, but he said polite things about the mice commending. Do you know what is meaning of commending? Praising. And what is meaning of colony? Group of mice living. Group of mice living means colony. Commending means praising their pink eyes and pretty lit. Lit means thin and graceful feet. Mr. Ghosh beamed. What is the meaning of beamed? Smiled brightly with pleasure and sent out for more rasagullas. When grandfather and I had settled into the compartment of a train late night, Mr. Ghosh came to the window to say goodbye. As the train began moving, he thrust. What is the meaning of thrust? Pushed suddenly a cardboard box into my hands and said, "A present for you and your grandfather." More rasagullas, I thought. Later, when the train was underway and I lifted the lid of the box, I found 2 white mice asleep on a bed of cotton wool. Back in the Hara, I kept the white mice in their box. I had plans for them. After dinner, I slipped into my uncle's room and realized. What is released? Not realized, released. Released means set free the mice under his bed sheet. An hour later, we all had to leap out of our beds when Uncle Ken dashed. What is the meaning of dashed? Dashed means rushed out of his room, screaming that something soft and furry was running about inside his clothes. "Well off with the clothes," said grandfather, giving me a wink. What is the meaning of wink? Quick blinking of one eye to signal a joke or secret. What is the meaning of wink? Quick blinking of one eye to signal a joke. He had a good idea of what had happened. So now let's go to this is our 3rd page. Okay, let's continue the story. After Uncle Ken had done a tap dance, one white mouse finally came out from the clothes, but the other had run up the sleeve of his pajama coat and suddenly popped out. What do you mean of popped out? Popped out means fell out. And tap dance means rhythmical tapping of the toes. Popped out means fell out. popped out beneath his chin. Uncle Ken started to panic. Convinced. Convinced means certain sure. Convinced means certain sure that his room was full of mice, pink, white, and brown. He locked himself in the storeroom and slept on an old sofa. Next day, grandfather took me to the station and put me on the train to Delhi. It was the right train this time. I'll look after the white mice, he said. Grandfather grew quite fond of the mice and even wrote to Mr. Ghosh asking if he could spare another pair, but Mr. Ghosh, he learned later, had been transferred to another part of the country and had taken his family of white mice with him. Okay, such an interesting story, no? Okay, let's read about Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. He born at 1934, is one of India's best loved storytellers. He has spent most of his life in the Dehradun and loves writing about his hills, his childhood, and the different animals he has known. Some of his most popular works are The Room on the Roof and Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. White Mice is one of his many stories about unusual pets. He now lives in Landar, Missouri. So now let's go. I'll ask some question and answer, and I'll also tell the answer. Okay, let's see. So in this questions, we are totally going to see 10 questions. So we'll go to first question. Who was Mr. Ghosh? Who was Mr. Ghosh? Mr. Ghosh was the kind station master. Mr. Ghosh was the kind station master. Who is the forgetful character in the story? Who is the forgetful character in the story? The boy's uncle Ken is the forgetful character in the story. Third question. Where did the narrator get down? Where did the narrator get down? The narrator got down at Lucknow station. Fourth question. Who were the passengers in the mini train? Who were the passengers in the mini train? White mice were the passengers in the mini train. What did Mr. Ghosh offer to the boy? Mr. Ghosh offered to a boy a cup of sweet milk tea and 2 large rasagullas to the boy. Okay, let's see sixth question. In this, it didn't measure that this sixth question, but totally there are 10 questions. So, sixth question. What was the present given to the boy? The present that was given to the boy was more rasagullas. Seventh question. Who loved mice and who did not? Grandpa and the little boy loved mice and Uncle Ken did not love mice. Third one. Where did Ken spend the rest of the night. Uncle Ken spent his rest of the night in an old sofa that was in his storeroom. What did grandfather write to Mr. Ghosh about? Grandfather wrote to the Mr. Ghosh that he could spare another pair of white mice. 10th one. Who took care of the wild mice? White mice. Who took the care of white mice? When the boy left for Delhi. When the boy left for Delhi. Answer. When the boy left for Delhi, Grandpa took care of the mice. When the boy left Delhi, Grandpa took care of the mice. I told you it's very interesting story. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.